Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up WooCommerce shop page. Let's get started. So on default, your shop page will set up once you head over and subscribe to a plan on WooCommerce. So I have in here all of the pages and I scroll down and then from in here, I can see in here my shop page. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and click on this view right here. Let's first see what we're working with. So it's loading. So this is what my shop page looks like. So the header and all the themes are actually integrated with the themes that I have. So the themes that I have is actually called 2020. So if you want to edit it out, you can head over and click on this customize option we have right here. So click on this customize option, and then from in there, it will show you the customization of this particular page. Now you can see in here my active theme, which is 2020. When you try to change it up, it will also change all of the things that you can see right here. So for example, in that case, you can click on this change and you can see in here all of the installed themes that you have. I have in here these themes. And for example, let's just humor ourselves and then change into this right here. You can also change it to this or also this one. So you can head over and change your themes and this will actually set up and change up all the things for you. So you don't need to set it up anymore, you just need to customize it. So I have in here these colors. So you can change out your colors right here that will actually allow you to change the background color, the header, and all of that. So for this, since we have light pink right here, let's also choose a light pink color as well that is actually near it. So we have in here this light pink. I don't know, yes, you're seeing it, right? So that's what it looks like, and change up the colors that you can see right here. Now I can also have these theme options right here wherein you can put in here a search and header. And here a cover template that you can choose from. And it is actually an overlay background color and overlay text color. So this is what we're talking about right here. Another thing that we can do right here is to change out the background image, the menus, content options as well. When you head over to that, you can put in here post details. And when you head over to the WooCommerce option, you can see in here this product catalog and you can show your products or your categories. It depends on which one you want to show right here, and it will reflect all the changes that you have. As you can see right here, we have shown our categories instead of products, and when you change it up to that, you should be able to see what things you can actually display on your shop page. You can also change out how many products should be shown per row. So for example, you change it into one only, and this will reflect it. And as you can see, I only have one product right here that has been shown. So let's change it back to the ones that we have. And then from in there, once you're done editing everything, click on the save changes right here, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.